Dioxus supports server-side render. We can use it to pre-render HTML on server and send it to client. In cargo.toml file, let's add Tokyo for asynchronous runtime, Eximo for backend server, Dioxus, and Dioxus server-side render creator. Let's go to the main.rs file. First, let's add attribute Tokyo main for main function. So we can turn this main function as a sync function. And let's create a function app to create a router. Return type will be router import from Eximo. In this function, let's create a new router and return that router. Router new. Let's add a router to this router. Let's give it a path slash. Let's pass a method get import from Eximo routing. Then let's pass a handler. Let's give it a handler hello. Then let's define this hello handler. It will be a async function, so async hyphen hello. Return type we will give it a HTML import from Eximo response HTML. In this HTML, type will be string. In this handler, let's return HTML. In this HTML, we will call Dioxus SSR server-side render element function. In this function, we can call rsx macro import from Dioxus. Let's add a h1 element. In this h1 element, let's add a content hello world. We got this error because we need to change this import use Dioxus prelude to asterisk. It will import every items we need, so we can get rid of that error. In main function, let's create a variable app equal to, we will call this app function. Then let's create a listener equal to, we will call Tokyo night TCP listener band function to create a new listener. Let's pass address to its band function 0.0.0.0. Port 3000. Then let's call await to handle the future and wrapper to handle the result. So this TCP listener will listen on this address localhost 3000. Then let's serve our listener and app. So Eximo serve. First argument will pass this listener. Second argument will pass this app. Then let's call await to handle future and wrapper to handle the result. In terminal, let's cargo run. Let's go to the web browser. Let's visit a local host 3000. So you can see it will render hello world in h1 element. This is how we use Dioxus to server-side render. Hope to see you next time.